So when I made a video yesterday on Internet Computer ICP, it was trading at around 11.9 US dollars, somewhere over here when we released that video. And in that video, I have gave you guys somewhat of an early alpha or a signal, and I said that we could be seeing ICP have a short-term price reversal, and this was likely because there were multiple signals flipping or flashing bullish. And I said this yesterday when it was trading right here. I said be warned, we could see a short-term price reversal because multiple signals were flashing bullish. Now, I didn't brush off the fact that we could also see ICP have a deeper pullback towards $10.5 because that's where the next support is located at. But again, even if you bought the dip, or even if you bought ICP at $11.9 right here yesterday, you would still be in profits right now, up about 10%. So it doesn't really matter if you missed the dip right here, because you would still be in profit. So right now, what are my current expectations for ICP? I'll be mentioning that in today's video, as well as the levels to look out for, and also the potential scenarios that may arise right now in the immediate short term. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the charts, drop like, and let's begin by analyzing the ICP price, starting in the 1 hourly time frame. So as you guys can see, we had a strong move recently for ICP. Take a look at this. Very, very strong move to the upside. Now, this was obviously to be expected because, again, in yesterday's video on ICP, I mentioned that there were multiple signals flipping bullish. We had the RSI form a bullish divergence, and we had bullish crosses in the MACD. So right now you guys can see the move we had right here was obviously expected, but I have a warning, because if you take a look at the RSI right now, we are trading at around overbought regions in the RSI in the 1 hourly time frame. So we could see ICP have a pullback once again to the downside. Just be warned about this. And the levels to look out for are, again, there's support at $11.9 and there is support at $10.5. So my game plan in the coming days or weeks is, if we do see ICP have a pullback towards the downside once again, I would scoop in some ICP at $11.9 and at $10.5. So these are essentially my buying levels for ICP. The first level is $11.9 and the next one is $10.5 US dollars. And I'll just be mentioning all the support levels right now. There's also another support zone at around $9.8 until $9 US dollars. So just be aware of these 4 support levels. Now ICP is pumping. So what can we expect in the coming weeks or days? Now, obviously the Bitcoin spot ETF is coming close. There's a high chance it could be approved, and that would essentially be very, very bullish for the entire crypto altcoin market. So if it does get approved, then we could very well see ICP move up back to resistance at $15.5 US dollars. So that is the first target we have for ICP. If we can continue this move to the upside, the target is $15.5 US dollars. Now, just be warned, we could be facing resistance and we could be rejected right here because this is significant resistance. However, if we do see ICP have a break above resistance at $15.5 and flip that to support, the next level to look out for is the next resistance at $22.6 US dollars. But for now, ICP still has a lot of resistances to clear, such as there's some sort of resistance at around $14 US dollars. That is the quick update I have for Internet Computer ICP. Drop like and subscribe if you learned something, and all of my links are in the description.